injani ke ngoku-relationship between i-youth league kunye ne-SASCO? Bayanisapota noko?
Kwakusiliwa ke ngelaa xesha lethu kakhulu. I don't know now. Ngelaa xesha lethu kwaku-bad trip because that's when the youth league took a decision to contest kwi-campuses. And besiza nje kwi-campuses baziswa yile nto yobana i-SASCO yayinale position ithi asizusoloko sivuma yonke into. So they felt into yobana i-campuses are too important to be left to i-SASCO that in a way can be controlled or you can't say or dominate it. I'm hoping that i-SASCO is still maintaining the positions ezinjalo because it keeps it genuine, because i-SASCO whereby umbutho odilishana ne-bread and butter issues ze-students. So umbutho omele abafundi. So sasithi sithi iparlamente abafundi. So zonke izinto ezifuna ngabafundi thethwa phaa sithi umbutho omele uba aka-exist exista because kukho ingxaki zabafundi. So for as long as ingxaki zabafundi zikhona, lo mbutho lo uzasoloko ehlale khona aqhubekeke esile. So up until ziphele ezo ngxaki, xa zinkulu ingxaki bemela umbutho uyaqina beluqinile. So I think they felt that we were too passionate about ezi ngxaki zabafundi. We must try to always be mobilizing abafundi towards the ANC or to be a bit passive and so on. So they came into the campuses, contested us, but they could not win. They tried to take some few campuses, but the organization at the time still retained the majority of campuses. But a negative is that most of our bandu babe youth league on campuses now eventually became EFF. So which is better kwabona because in as much as the SASCO contest with the EFF, but it's not in terms of the attitude and the thinking, we don't sharply differ with such an organization. So can see a leadership. So leadership was it's not that it's better when we elect you as a leader, but we think that you are the best amongst us as equals to lead us for this moment. That's why Bandula would talk about Bana ingathi when the mistakes we can remove them. Remember as time was special.
Yeah. It's very much important how we lead those understand about your purpose. As you better now you clever now. Yourself, not you bullish. Yourself. Fanele uthobeke wehle ufikeleleke xa uyibithe. But
that's very important.
Yeah, but the fundamental leadership position as a boss. Yeah, yonke into ethisha ifuneka yenziwe, ufuneka iviwe.
Yeah, nanso ke ingxaki yalo nto leyo. Yabona now leadership leadership I think generally funeka uyazi bana angakhona omnye umuntu angaba yinabukile, angaba ngabantu. Qha abantu baye bathi ngala moment bacinga bana wena
mhlawumbe chance
ungasikhokhela. So ayithi loo nto leyo xa sowungenile ke ngoku kuba uba ube yinkokheli wena zenze inkosi. Of course I'm not trying to attack the tradition of inkosi, but ibe ngathi uzalelwe kwesasikhundla, so to say unikiwe esasikhundla ibolekiwe. So that's why funeka umane usebenzisa principles of collective leadership, constant engagement. But ke into ebalulekileyo noba uyi-leader uyaconsulta, funeka uxoxe, but funeka uyazi uba funeka i-direction ikhona. So funeka ukwazi usummarize, unike umkhombandlela, because iphinde ibe yi-sign of weakness into yobana ube yinkokheli enga-decide okanye enga-propose i-way forward emakuxoxele phezu kwayo. Because abantu sometimes bayifune loo nto leyo, in as much as befuna usoloko bexoxa, but abayifuni le nto ufumanise ukubana ngoku hey asiyazi noba ngubani inkokheli iwishy-washy le nto eyenzekayo. So that's why I said actually is the maximum participation in discussion, discipline and unity in action. Bana sizawuxoxana siphikisaneni songeni but funeke ekugqibeleni sigqibile. Ukugqiba kwethu noba besingavani kakuhle ngezinto esigqibe ngazo, sonke masiparticipateni eku-implementeni le nto sigqibe ngayo. Now if you are able to lead a situation where you must forge such alliances, then you are a correct person for that moment. Not that you are a best leader, but for that moment you are a correct person. So we learned that cool in the student movement. Everywhere I say task, leadership, anything, governance, anywhere, I always go back to such students do clever song, and zithetha zonke and zinamaqhinga zonke. Now imagine having to always summarize ezaa zinto zithethwayo and get them to participate and share the vision. It's quite a very tricky task to undertake. So it's fundise kakhulu, and that's why I say nabanye abantu in church, everywhere, it's always a very important thing to do, to take up those responsibilities quite early.
So ke siyaphuma ke ngoku student politics after uphuma ke ngoku kwindaba yokuthi usenze masters like part time ke like the research at the same time userve structure establish and so on. Now after that kwenzeka ntoni? Khona enye leadership oye wangena kuyo okanye wathatha i-break kwinto leadership?
Now I moved Nabango Secretary General in the Science School after being Deputy Secretary General. And after that, when I was Secretary General, that's when the transition into cabinet. Now
So
it's very tricky.
between like ANC, like since they're related SASCO and ANC.
Yeah, but not major. Not
Yeah.
major, not in a major way.
Yeah.
The senior roles or something.
Okay.
That's why abantu babembona basoloko becinga ngeSASCO more than the ANC. Not so it's always come most people but no bala. I mean since then no bala with SASCO. So in the maintenance moving from when Secretary General, then a provision in the Higher Education Act 18. When the Minister of Higher Education appointed a board, a structure to a higher education, a Council on Higher Education. Council on Higher Education is accreditor qualifications. It can be quality assurer for qualifications
For
universities.
Universities.
So
The Council of the College currently operates with 4 ministerial appointees and 6 internal council members. We are awaiting ministerial approval for 4 additional council members that we had already shortlisted and recommended to the minister in March last year. Initially, our original ministerial appointee were 5, 3 being females and 2 males, but the resignation of 1 member led to us having 2 males and 2 females. In the 4 additional members we have recommended to the minister, we recommended 2 males and 2 females, but we prioritize the skills that is missing at our council as well, in addition to the gender composition that we looked at. So we believe that after the minister makes that approval, this will guarantee the full balance of our college.
the minister